Oh man, we just had some major wind. Look, this thing totally uprooted. This is one of those Jacaranda trees, and it straight blew down from the wind earlier. Yeah, we had a lot of wind here today. Check out, I'm gonna go to the park. Down here, palm tree came out of the ground too. Christmas Eve walking around. The moon's coming. This thing is like just detached from the eucalyptus tree. We're having something called the Pineapple Express. Really warm storm right now, so it's actually like almost 70 out here. Yeah, people are enjoying the freedom on the roads.